Edo Governor Monday Okpebholo don sign the revised appropriation bill of 486 billion naira into law. The move wey the new administration make na to make sure say dem fit carry out the development projects wey dem don plan. Governor Okpebholo contrary salute to the lawmakers for the quick action wey dem take pass the bill and say the budget go serve as foundation for transformative governance for Edo State.
Mr. Speaker, leadership of the House Assembly Edo State, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for the cooperation so far. And I believe if we continue in this speed, Edo will experience a tremendous transformation. And I believe, and I see able men that are hungry to work for Edo people. And by the grace of God, sky will be our limit.
The Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Okpebholo, for in part, contacted the legislators they committed to support the vision of the new administration and make sure say government they continue. It can say the 8th Assembly quick pass the appropriation law to make sure say the new administration fit start them projects without delay. Say governance na something wey not they stop and them go continue to push development for the people of Edo State.
Your Excellency, I want to let you know that the House passed this appropriation supplementary reverse law today because we want you to kickstart your projects. I want to let you know the analysis that the sum of 202 billion 647 million 290,608 naira 85 kobo only shall be appropriated from the Consolidated Revenue Fund during this period. That is for the recurrent expenditure. Going to the capital expenditure, we have the sum of 282 billion 987 million 603,640 naira 87 kobo. That is for the capital expenditure. For the total expenditure, you have the sum of 485 billion 634 million 894,248 naira 87 kobo only. That is for the total expenditure. Excellency, we are happy to be before you today because we know that government is continuous and you must hit the ground running. That was why this budget was presented to us on Wednesday last week, and we said you must hit the ground running. And I also told my members that it must be done today for you to hit the ground running. Today we are here to present the budget to you.
The Speaker, Right Honorable Blessing Okpebholo, with other lawmakers attend the signing ceremony wey shele for the Executive Council Chamber for Government House, Benin City. Una go remember say the budget wey dem first present on November 13, 2024 go through fast deliberation before it finally pass and sign into law by both the legislators and the executive. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojeisele, TMC TV News.